Hi guys, how can you create the spotlight effect in Photoshop? First, open your image in Photoshop. Go to Adjustment Layer Black and White. Press OK. Now the image is converted to black and white. Go to Adjustment Layer again and select Exposure. Set the exposure to around 3.83. Press OK. Now select the brush tool. Set the brush size to around 660 px. Choose a hard round brush and set the hardness to 72. Make sure the foreground color is black. Set the opacity to around 80%. Now gently brush in the center of the image, where you want the light to appear. And that's it. This is how you can create a spotlight effect in Photoshop.